everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sumaira Anjum. In this video, I'm gonna take you all to my journey of learning coding within 2-3 days. So without any further delay, let's get started. If you are an engineering student, you might have an idea about coding. If you don't know what coding is, let me tell you. Computer programmers use code to communicate with computers and tell them what to do. What I mean is that computers cannot understand the simple language which we speak. So we need to tell them whatever we want to present in a code so that they can understand and execute the output. Through coding, professionals can build programs including websites, apps, etc. Computer programmers can also tell the computers how to process data in a better and faster way. For example, I want to type something using coding. So what do? I type my code here, and here the text will be executed. So whatever I type, I will start by doing print. Print means you are telling the computer to display the text which you are going to type as your output. So we always start coding by typing print here. Then we open the brackets with double quotes, and you need to type your text here. So this is my text which I want to be executed, or I want it as my output. So I started with print, used open brackets, and automatically you will get close brackets also, and I typed my text in double quotes. You can also do this by typing the text in single quotes also. Single quotes or double quotes, you can use anything in both of them. So this is how you type text in coding. So let me execute this code. When I click on run, my code is executed. See, you can see hello world here. So this is how we use coding. This is just the first step which I told you right now. There are many things which you have to learn in coding, like you can do operations, calculations, everything. So diploma के classes अभी तक शुरू नहीं हुए हैं, so I just started learning coding instead of wasting time. Right now I am learning coding with Udemy in Python. So it was a 2 days course, but I completed it in 3 days. It took me a little bit long time as it was new. So when I searched for learning classes, I found Python as an easy language. So many of them suggested me to learn Python itself. So I started learning Python in Udemy. And right now you're watching day 1 of me learning coding. So enjoy the video. If you are a computer science student, and if you are also bored of holidays just like me, you can also do this by learning coding. And if you have any suggestions, do comment down in the comment section. And उस दिन मैंने 2 घंटे practice किया from 2 to 4, and I completed my day 1 course of that day, and I felt like मैंने बहुत पढ़ाई कर ली, and I just enjoyed the rest of the day. So that was day 1 of learning coding. Honestly, first day I felt it pretty interesting क्योंकि first day बहुत ही basic class था. I have learned many basics, so errors were a little less compared to the second and third day. So that's how my day 1 ended. And then I started my day 2 by revising day 1 class. Whatever I made a notes in my book, I just practiced all of them once again just to be perfect in the basics. After a quick revision of day 1, I went to Udemy and started listening day 2 classes, which were again pretty interesting, but day 2 classes were a bit advanced, in which I came to know about many functions like float, string, integers, sets, and all. As you can see on the screen, sir is teaching me many new topics which were a bit complicated, but I made it. Despite of many errors, I felt it pretty interesting. Maybe that's because I'm learning through Python, and Python is an easy language out of all the computer languages. And here also making a notes really helped me in doing many exercises. As you can see, there are many errors, but I came over through those errors because I made notes and I was following the notes. So that's how I did my day to enjoy the video. I practiced for almost 2 hours and suddenly it started raining heavily, so I went out to enjoy the weather. As you can see, it's raining so heavily, and this is just the effect of southwest monsoon. This is the monsoon season, it continues till September, I guess. So then I thought to take a break, but my break never ended, so I took a half an hour class and ended practicing coding for that day and continued it in the next day. I started my day 3 class in the morning by 11:30 itself because I was regretting that I didn't complete my 2 days course in 2 days. So I just started it in the morning. I studied for like half an hour and continued in the afternoon. So third day से मुझे थोड़ी आदत सी पड़ गई थी. I felt it pretty easy coming to third day because I made it a habit of doing it from 2 days. So I also experienced many errors in day 3 also. The classes were getting leveled up day by day, class by class. On the second day I was dealing with many conversions, and on the third day I practiced much formatting and also doing mathematical operations. So that's how my day 3 went. Enjoy the video. And my polytechnic classes are starting from 25th of this month, so I'm also getting ready for that. I'm collecting all my certificates to submit for counseling. And I also have a request with all of you guys ki please share my video with your friends and family members so that they can get helped and they can get some knowledge. So please share my videos and please support me and help me reach 1000 subscribers, please, because it takes so much hard work to make, edit and upload videos on YouTube, and it's just a matter of seconds of like, share and subscribing to channel. So please do it. If you did, thank you so much. And then finally I completed my course that day and I was so happy for that. That was my experience of learning coding. I hope you all liked it. Comment your first experience of learning coding in the comment section down below, and if you have any suggestions for a computer science student, then do comment down in the comment section. So that's it for today's video. If you have liked it, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you all in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.